In some past videos, I did a review of my Mika washer and dryer washing machine. I showed you guys how I use it and how I've set it up in my rented apartment. Today's video is a continuation on this same series, showing you how I moved to a different apartment with this machine. Hi guys, good morning. I'm sure you've seen from the title. Today I am moving with this machine and I'll be showing you guys how I'll secure the drum. Yeah, if you're not aware, it needs to be secured before you move so that it's not dancing inside while you're on the move. It's very early in the morning, but the movers are about to come, so I want to shoot this before they get here. Ignore the dust. I've not been around for a while and I didn't see any need to clean before doing this because I was gonna move like right up after arrival. Does that make sense? And I'm getting a call. So you need these things first and foremost. Like I said, ignore the dirt. There are 4 of them. Ooh. I don't even know how to do this, but I guess I'm about to find out. Oh shoot. Oh, okay, they all look the same. So with those 4 bolts, unafaa you come to the back of the machine and you'll see those 4 white things. You're meant to insert those bolts and tightly put them in to each of the 4 holes. I'll show you what I mean. Where? Mi nitavunja in the name of...
Be gentle.
I don't know how to. You do it. So as you can see here, we've already removed the 4 things that were covering those 4 holes. I believe their purpose is just to make the machine not to gather too much dust on the inside. I'm not an expert on these things, by the way. I just be sharing what I have learned. I know you guys, like, you see people posting and you think they are experts. Please. I'm just sharing from a user's perspective, honestly. I'm not the one who manufactured these things, but you already knew this. Okay, wacha niache matusi. You guys just watch. So now we have started inserting the bolts, I think they are called.
Oh.
So after putting in the 4th one and disconnecting the setup that I've showed you guys in previous videos, the machine was ready to be moved. The drum was secure and all I had to do was to remove those 4 things after arriving in my new home, and my machine was ready to use again. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.